Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add folder colors in your Android phone. Right now, all you have to do, guys, once you already have those folder created, all you need to do is just simply tap on a folder, and as you can see in the upper right, you have a plus, and you also have like a circular icon there. Now if you tap on that circular icon, you will now have some options to change the colors, right? So you can tap on these colors, and as you can see at the top that it is changing the colors, or you can simply click on the multicolor, and this will give you a wider variety of colors that you can choose from, as you can see there. So I can just simply tap on a different color, as you can see, and I can also adjust the color to my liking as well. It's up to me. And then all I have to do, once I like it, just simply click on done, and that's all there is to it. Now once I tap off, you realize that my folder now has a color, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.